In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate emails with Monday.com. Whether you're looking to streamline your communication process or make project management smoother, I'll guide you through the steps you need to know. We'll explore what's natively possible, highlight some potential limitations, and talk about when you might need to introduce other tools into the mix. Let's dive into what Monday.com offers out of the box. If you've ever wished you could forward an email directly to your project board and have it transformed into actionable tasks, then you're in luck. Monday.com allows you to do just this by creating items on a board or updates to existing items through email forwarding. First, you'll want to look at setting up your board to receive these emails. Begin by navigating to your chosen board on Monday.com. Once there, locate the three-dot menu, which is typically found near your board's title. Click this menu and then head over to Board Settings. Here, you'll see an option entitled Create Items via Email. This is where the magic begins. Upon selecting this option, you will find a unique email address associated with your board. You can either use this default address, or, if you're an admin, you might choose to set up a custom email address for more personalized management. By sending an email to this board-specific address, you can transform the subject line of your email into the name of a new item on your board, while the body of the email becomes an update within that item. If you're aiming to update an existing item instead of creating a new one, the process is slightly different. Head over to the Updates section of the item you wish to modify. There, you'll find an option labeled Write Updates via Email. Click that, and you'll receive an email address unique to that specific item. Any email forwarded to this address will now update the respective item, enriching the ongoing details and ensuring all the necessary information is compiled in one place. This feature is incredibly useful for capturing incoming emails. Think of scenarios such as a support mailbox receiving customer queries or a leads inbox gathering potential client communications. It ensures that all vital information is centralized within your Monday.com system, enabling your team to respond promptly and efficiently. However, it's important to note the limitations of this native feature. While it's excellent for streamlining item creation or updates, it doesn't natively parse the email body to fill distinct columns automatically. For example, if you need to extract information like a phone number directly into a phone column, additional tools or integrations would be necessary to achieve this level of detail. By effectively utilizing these native email features in Monday.com, you can enhance your project management workflows, keep communication organized, and ensure your team is always in the loop. Whether you're handling support requests or collecting leads, these tools offer valuable support in keeping your work manageable and efficient.